Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the hotspot discoverable and ready. Open Settings, enable Personal Hotspot, and set a clear SSID and password so the Homepod can join. Once done, confirm your iPhone and Homepod run the latest software. Mismatches block pairing. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, and keep your phone very close to the Homepod. This first step prepares credentials and connectivity. It removes the simplest barriers so the Homepod can see and use your hotspot. You'll now instruct the Homepod to join the hotspot. Open the Home app, long press the Homepod tile, then go to Settings Wi-Fi. If the hotspot appears, select it and type the password. If it doesn't, tap Add Accessory and follow on-screen prompts while your phone remains on the hotspot. Because Homepod has no keyboard, you may need to trigger network sharing from your iPhone during setup. Keep devices close and watch for confirmation tones. They mean the Homepod accepted the connection. You're finishing by verifying functionality and addressing common failures. Play music and say a Siri command to confirm latency and authentication. If the Homepod won't get an IP address, restart both devices and rejoin the hotspot. This often clears DHCP conflicts. Make sure hotspot data limits or carrier blocks aren't preventing access. If problems persist, reset network settings on your iPhone or perform a factory reset of the Homepod. Then repeat the setup. This clears corrupted credentials.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.